Welcome to Mike's Man Cave and welcome to another review video. Today we're going to look at the Ryder wheel and tyre cleaner. These are available for $4 at SCA. $4 is really cheap. You're normally paying for brand name wheel and tyre cleaner in Australia, you're probably paying anywhere from $12 to $25 for 750ml bottle, brand depending. Now, just to check for you guys on the back here, Ryder wheel and tyre cleaner has been specially formulated for stubborn brake dust, road grime from 4x4 and adventure vehicles. Can be used on steel, alloy and chrome wheels. The non-acid formula contains high active properties and changes colour whilst cleaning. It's easy to use, spray, brush and hose off. Now let's get outside and try this out. My car's absolutely filthy from driving to work for the last week in the rain and through some road works that are going on just down the road from my place. So let's get outside and try it out. Now here's the wheel before it needs cleaning. It's really quite filthy, as you can see. So let's try out this cleaner and see how well it works. Here's the end result, and I think this is done pretty well. Let's get back inside and finish the video off. Now we're back inside, and as you saw, this stuff works really well. After doing that wheel that I showed you guys in the video just now, I did the other 4 wheels and I ended up washing the whole car afterwards, and the wheels looked really good when I was done. And look, this stuff works just as well as the $20 stuff, and I can buy 5 of these for $20. So I think I found a real bargain there, and I might go back and buy $20 worth. I might get 5 more of these next time I go into town before they decide to put the price up from $4, or before everyone else works out how good this stuff is and they go and buy it. Look, I hate giving 10 out of 10s, but there's nothing wrong with this. This worked perfectly. I give this a 10 out of 10 for wheel cleaner. It cleans the wheels. It does the job. There's nothing left to say. If you've got any questions about this stuff, or if you've used this stuff, do me a favour, leave a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are or what your questions are. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video at all, found it useful, give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.